Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today in this video, I'm going to create two porcelain looking display items. I absolutely love the way these came out, guys. Both of them look so beautiful. It's a set and it came out absolutely beautiful. So today I used some white paint and some embellishments that I picked up from Amazon. And I also used some gold paint and I used a gold metallic marker. So I wanted to create a project today that looked like porcelain. So I thought a way to achieve that would be to apply paint inside. And guys, this came out so nice because now you don't feel the paint on the outside. It's this beautiful paint that dried to a glossy finish that's inside. It looks really, really nice and it looks really authentic. This looks like something that you could purchase from the store. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. So guys, this is not a talk through video. This is very self-explanatory. It's very, very easy to do and I'm going to get started. Alright guys, here I'm showing you that I'm adding the gold metallic marker to the edge of the vase, and I did it to the small dish as well. It looks much better, and the gold sort of matches the gold embellishments that I put on. Came out really, really nice, guys. So you let me know what you think in the comment section below, guys, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.